Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to deep fry cabbage. First, choose a fresh, firm head of green cabbage, ensuring it feels heavy for its size. Carefully remove any loose or damaged outer leaves. Next, prepare your deep fryer by filling it with a suitable oil, like vegetable or canola, and preheat it to a precise 350 degrees Fahrenheit. This initial setup is crucial for achieving the perfect crispy texture. Now, let's prepare the cabbage for frying. Carefully cut the entire head into uniform 1-inch thick wedges. It's important that each wedge retains a small part of the core. This helps hold the leaves together during frying. After cutting, thoroughly pat all surfaces of the cabbage pieces dry using paper towels. Removing excess moisture is key to preventing oil splatters and achieving maximum crispiness. With your oil at 350 degrees Fahrenheit, it's time to fry. Carefully place a small batch of cabbage wedges into the hot oil, being careful not to overcrowd the fryer. Fry for approximately 3 to 5 minutes, turning them occasionally to ensure even browning on all sides. The cabbage should emerge a beautiful golden brown and wonderfully crispy. Use tongs to remove them, allowing excess oil to drain. Once drained, immediately season your hot, crispy deep-fried cabbage with a sprinkle of salt, freshly ground pepper, or any other spices you enjoy. Serve it piping hot as a unique and delicious side dish that will surprise and delight. For more great cooking tips and other valuable resources, including a fantastic book that can truly change how you think about money, be sure to check the description below for links and other deals. Enjoy your perfectly fried cabbage.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.